Okay, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Koom, and Koom documented his surgery day on our video site a year ago, and he is here now exactly 1 year after his procedure, so this will be more or less final results. And as you can see from his before pictures, what a drastic difference and a nice improvement for him. And even he says his friends and family members are giving him compliments. Even as soon as 5 months, they started noticing it coming in. But Koom, tell us about your experience and how you like your hair.
Basically, it was a great journey. I didn't even feel that I did some operation or something. It was very normal, and I was taking care of just 4-5 days. After that, I was very back to normal. And I see this procedure is the best procedure I've ever heard or seen before. So I'm very happy on that.
Excellent, and it makes you look so much younger having the hair. Let me have you model it. If you would, just put your chin down slightly to your chest so we can see the top. Wow, hold it right there. Unbelievable difference. And now let's see it either from the left or right. Let's see it from the sides. Yes, and hold it right there. And look at the difference just on that side profile. How having that shelf of hair makes. And then the other side, same way, Koom. If you would, on the other side, other direction. Yes, perfect. Thank you so much. And as you know, and as Koom and I were talking about, if you notice in his in the area here in the front, I'll put the cursor in the front areas here. He went from basically an area that had zero hair. This is a good example of maybe what 30%, maybe 35% looks like. It reframes the face, but as you can see, it's not as strong as say the hair in the back of his head would be, because he's going from zero. So he's going from 0% to say 30, 35%. Koom is considering another procedure perhaps in the future to thicken that or double up on that density. And as he brings his hair from his left to his right, you can see it becomes more exposed on the left side. So we may focus a little more on that left side to fill in those gaps to give him an even stronger hairline and then finish up some areas in the back. But Koom, thank you so much for sharing your journey. So happy for you. And even if you never had another procedure, this would be a huge improvement in your lifestyle and how you look. So very happy for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.